Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Fitsleeps Watch Silent Wrist Alarm Wake Up Bracelet. So, you might be wondering what this Fitsleeps watch that you may be hearing online. So, Fitsleeps here is a wearable wrist alarm designed to wake sleepers with silent vibrations instead of sound. Now, it's offered in a standard and a pro version, and the standard version uses one consistent vibration intensity, supports up to 3 alarms, includes a watch display, and lists a 14-day battery life. Now, the Pro version uses a gradually increasing vibration intensity, starting gentle and getting stronger until the wearer wakes up, aimed at people who don't respond to a single steady vibration or who sleep especially deeply. Now, it's marketed towards heavy sleepers, people who tend to oversleep or hit snooze repeatedly. Now, in this case, couples wanting a silent alternative here and people with ADHD, narcolepsy, or hearing impairment who want a non-audio wake-up method. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, you want to set the desired wake-up time. Using the device button, a short press shows the time and date. Holding it down enters the alarm setting mode, and where up to like 3 alarms can be programmed here. Now, wear the band on the wrist before sleeping. Then, when the set time arrives, the device vibrates on the wrist to wake the wearer. Now, pressing the button turns off the alarm, and it's recharged periodically via the included charging accessory. Now, with battery life listed at roughly around 14 plus days per charge on the standard version. Now, when it comes to the pricing itself, well, the standard version is listed at around $49. Now, the Pro version is at $84, and a separate charging adapter at $8.95. Now, the site offers a 100-day trial along with a 100% wake-up guarantee, described as a hassle-free return if the device doesn't wake the wearer as expected. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.